As I walked into the old antique shop, a faint scent of sandalwood wafted through the air, transporting me to a bygone era. My eyes wandered across the cluttered shelves, where vintage clocks, dusty vases, and yellowed photographs seemed to whisper secrets of the past. A gentle voice, like a summer breeze, broke the silence. "Welcome to my home, young traveler. I'm Henry, the proprietor, and I sense you're searching for more than just antiques." A pause. Henry's eyes sparkled with a hint of mischief as he continued. "You see, I've lived a life of curiosity, always chasing the next great discovery, just like you, I'm sure." A pause. "Now, I've got a story to share with you. A tale of an English teacher named Emma, who lived in the 19th century in rural England, where the air was crisp and the language was rich." A pause. Emma, with her fiery spirit and passion for the English language, began to teach the local children, but her unorthodox methods often raised eyebrows among the villagers. A pause. "You see, Henry, Emma believed that language was not just about rules and grammar, but about the rhythm of life, the cadence of the human experience." A pause. "And so, Emma would take her students on long walks through the rolling hills, pointing out the way the sunlight danced through the leaves and the way the river flowed like a poem." A pause. As I listened to Henry's story, I felt the English language come alive, and I realized that learning a language wasn't just about vocabulary and syntax, but about connecting with the world around us. A pause. "And so I asked Henry, what's the secret to mastering the English language?" Henry smiled. My young friend, it's not just about learning the rules, but about understanding the soul of the language. And that's something only experience can teach." A pause. And with that, Henry handed me an old, worn-out book. "Read this and you'll understand what I mean." A pause. I took the book, and as I opened the cover, a piece of paper slipped out with a quote from Walt Whitman. "Do I contradict myself? Very well, then I contradict myself. I am large, I contain multitudes." A pause. And in that moment, I knew that the English language was not just a tool for communication, but a gateway to the depths of the human experience.